In Lenexa, we see a lot of uniform poured foundations. There are some crawl spaces. There is an occasional stone foundation and an occasional block foundation, but the majority of Lenexa is found with uniform poured foundation walls. And with uniform poured foundation walls, we deal with a lot of cracks and instability. And cracks tend to lead to either structural issues or it could be waterproofing as well. So this time of year, with the drought that's in play, we see a lot of structural issues. A lot of cracks in drywall, a lot of doors that are sticking, windows that are sticking, which is typically signs of settling. And so we'll come in and we'll take our measurements of the home. We'll see the high part of the home and we'll find the low parts of the home. And then we can come up with a custom underpinning plan for the homeowner, depending on what's settling and how much it is settling. If we can recover some of that settling, we'll let you know. And if we don't think we can recover any of it, particularly with stone foundations, we'll let you know that as well. Now, these cracks that are showing up come the springtime are going to lead to most likely some waterproofing and waterproofing issues. So at KC Pier, we do our fair share of crack injections, sump pump installations, interior drain systems which can waterproof the full interior of the home, or at least the walls that need the most treatment. We'll see some bowing walls, some walls that are moving in, and so we have the ability to do complete exterior waterproofing, what we call wall pushbacks, where we will actually take a wall that's over 3 inches inward, push it back to level, and then brace it accordingly. We can do some carbon strap and fiber straps that'll actually close these cracks up and make them structurally sound. So it really is going to vary come the springtime to do some resolutions that will take care of the water issues themselves. We have a variety of applications here at KC Pier that ultimately can handle any of those issues that Lenexa may find. I guess the biggest problem with foundation problems, whether it's cracks or water in basements, is the issues just simply don't resolve themselves. And the sooner that you tend to resolve the issue tends to save you money, because the issue is only smaller and escalating. It is on a curve to escalate and extrapolate and get worse. And the repair bills, as the repair gets worse, only get bigger. So we can go, for example, from a 2 or 3 I-beam wall and resolve that for just a few $100s. But if you allow that wall to continue to move, that wall can then become a few $1,000s. And most repairs, when it comes to whether it's structural and settling, or walls or cracks that are getting worse, or waterproofing, if the water is showing up in one corner, it'll begin to kind of spread along the walls and maybe find itself through different corners. If you can resolve that early enough, you can stop the issue right away and it won't get worse, which ultimately is going to save you money.